Hi everyone! Welcome back to Immersi Fun English. Today we're having another lesson in nature. We're going to talk about two confusing verbs in English. Get and take. Native speakers use them a lot, and I hope to finally make them super easy for you. But don't forget, I'm going to teach this lesson in two parts. So don't miss the second part in the next video. If you're ready, let's get started. In many conversations, get can replace the verb become, receive, and arrive. On the other hand, the meaning of take could be use, carry, and pick up. So let's dive into some examples. Look at the board. As I mentioned before, you can use get instead of become. In this situation, you have an adjective after get. Here are some examples. For example, I get tired. After walking for 1 hour in this forest, I usually get tired. Get angry. I try not to get angry, but sometimes traffic drives me crazy. Get married. My spouse and I got married 12 years ago. Guys, the meaning of a spouse is my husband, and for a man is his wife. So, the meaning of a spouse is wife or husband. My spouse and I got married 12 years ago. Get divorced. Some people get divorced, but still stay good friends. Get better. My English started to get better when I practice every day. Get worse. Guys, the weather is getting worse. I have to go home early. Oh no, I'm joking. It's just an example. Get happy. I usually get happy when I see my students learning new words. Get hungry. I usually get hungry when I smell fresh food. And get thirsty. I get thirsty when I talk too much in my videos. In the next group, the meaning of get is receive or obtain. Look at these examples. Get a job. It means to find and start working in a new job. Get a present. It means to receive a gift from someone. Get a letter. Get an email. Oh, I got a message. The next example. Get permission. It means to receive approval to do something. For example, I got permission to leave work early yesterday. Get information. It means to receive or obtain facts and details. Get a degree or diploma. It means to receive an academic qualification after studying. For example, after 4 years of studying, I finally got my degree in English. Get the meaning. To understand what something means. For example, I told you the meaning of a spouse. And after that, I could ask you, did you get the meaning? And you can answer, yes, I got it. I got it. I got the meaning. The last example. Get the point. To understand the main idea. You don't need to explain more. I got the point. In this part, the meaning of get is arrive or reach. Get home. For example, I usually get home at 6 p.m. Get to work. She got to work late because of the rain. Get to school. The kids usually get to school at 8 a.m. Get to a place. How can I get to the museum from here? Now let's review.